Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see who viewed your snapshot story. What you need to do, first just go to snapshot and then click in your profile icon. As you can see here, my story. Then just click in the three dots and then you see here the eyes and next 5. It means 5 people who viewed my story. Then just click here and then you can see here the 5 who viewed my story and their names as well. This is what you need to do if you want to see who viewed your snapshot story. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.